Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the final Sudoku, a Sudoku Heavy. So let's get started. Okay, I see here a 2 in this column, a 2 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for a 2 should be here. A 2 in this row, a 2 in the last row. So in the row above, the only two places for a 2 is here or there. But I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then in this big square, one of the missing number in this big square is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in this box. I see there an 8, so no 8 in that box. Only box for an 8 should be here. The remaining two boxes are for the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then we have a 1 in this column, a 1 in the middle column. So in that column, the only two places for an 8 should be here or there. But I see here already a 1. Sorry. A 1 in this column, a 1 in the middle column. So in that column, the only two places for a 1 should be here or there. I see here a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then a 5 in this column, a 5 in the last column, so in the column between. The only place for a 5 should be here. Then in this column, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 7 is missing and 8 is missing in this column. I see here 7, so no 7 there. I see there 7, so no 7 there. Only place for the 7 in this column should be here. So these two boxes are for the numbers 8 and 4. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then a 7 in this row, a 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for a 7 is here or there. I see here a 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then let me see. Can I do something with the 4? No. Let me see these 3 numbers in this row. The missing numbers are 9, 3, and 6. 9, 3, and 6. I see there a 9, so no 9 there. I see here a 9, so no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then Yes, this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here a 6. No 6 in these two boxes. I see there a 6. No 6 in this box. So the only two boxes for the 6 should be here or there. So in the middle row, we have a 6 in one of those two boxes. In the row above, we see a 6 here. So in this row, the only two places for a 6 should be here or there. I see here a 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then not easy. What can we do? What can we do? Let me think, let me think, let me think. 3 and 6, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. These three numbers in this column, the missing numbers 3 and 6 and a 9 and a 9. Yes, the 9 is missing in this column. I see here 9, so no 9 in this box. I see there 9, so no 9 in this box. The only place for the 9 should be here. So we have here 3 and 6, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We see here 6. So this cannot be a 6. This must be a 3. This must be a 6. This must be a 3. And this missing number is a 3. So we have a 6 in this column, a 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Yes, these three numbers of this big square, the numbers are 3, 4, and 8. I see here 3 and 8. That means this must be a 4. We have a pair here, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. That means these two numbers, 3 and 8, this must be 4 and 7. 4 and 7. 4 and 7. These two numbers of this column, the missing numbers are 9 and 5. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes here. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only two places for 9 is here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be here. Here we have 4 and 7. 4 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. 4 and 7. The 5. I will continue with the 5. Oh! I knocked down my camera. Apologies. A5 in this row, A5 in that row. So in the last row, the only two places for 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So in the column between, the only two places for 5 is here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then 1, 4. I see here 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, and 6 is missing. I see here a 6, so no 6 in this box. I see there a 6, so no 6 in that box. Only place for the 6 should be here. 1 and 4, 1 and 4 is missing in this column. I see now a 4 there, so no 4 here, 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so in the last column, the only two places for 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers of this big square. The numbers are 1, 4, and 9. I see here 4 and 9. That means this must be a 1. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. That means here, these two numbers in this row, 4 and 9, 1 and 3. 1 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 3. That means this empty box of the last row has to be a 7. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for 1 is here or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3 is missing. I see here 3. So no 3 in these two boxes. Only place for the 3 should be here. These two boxes of this big square. The missing numbers are 7 and 8. I see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 4 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. 4 and 2. This box I can fill. This is 1 box is missing in this third row for the number 7. 1 box is missing of this big square for the number 4. Here we have 4 and 2, 4 and 2. That means these two numbers of the first row are the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 8 goes there. Can we fill this? No. 4 and 8. Still missing these 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. 3 is missing. 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. Yes, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 and 8, 3 and 8 of this row. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be there, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left of this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 8. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 9. 2 missing numbers of this first column for the numbers 4 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. 4 and 3. I need more information. Here we have 1 and 3. Now we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there. Now 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the last column, the only 2 places for 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, 4 and 2. That means in the last column, 4 and 2. 2 numbers. I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be there, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left for this big square for the number 4. 1 number left for this big square for the number 2. Then 2 numbers left, 3 and 4 of this big square. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. I see here in 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we finish this in 17 minutes. Alright people, if you like this Sudoku Heavy, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel. Or you can download the PDF file so you can solve this by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with a new edition of the Sudokus. Thank you and bye bye.